Let's now look at what all we can do under the Add Music option. So if you hover over the plus icon, there are two options available to you. One is a musical scale and the other is the narration audio. Let's look at the first one, the musical scale. What it will do is, it will give you a similar option as you have already been working upon, a similar structure, and you can choose to change the data source column. Let's say for example, we can choose pressure the minimum one as we have already chosen the maximum one. Change the instrument, let's say we have piano and here we can have electric guitar, or we can choose to have piano again. And then the different settings that we have already been doing, like volume, filter, key, scale range, etc., are also available to you under this section of the music. You can choose to have the same settings as above and then click on play music. What exactly has happened is both the music from the two different data sets that you have added are playing together and generating a different kind of music. What I would suggest you to do to understand the differences, have different filters. Let's say we have all the data under the pressure maximum, but for the minimum pressure, I am keeping a filter of direction, only SW. If I now play the music, what you will see is there is the sound of piano for these values, but for the remaining three values, there will be a sound of both piano and electric guitar. Let's have a look. Amazing. I hope this made it clear what have actually happened by clicking on the musical scale option. If you are happy with your output, you can choose to export it. If you want to delete it, you can choose this icon to delete track, and this track will be deleted and you will be left with your original starting track. The second option is the narration audio. Once you click on the narration audio, you have the option to select an audio file. You can either choose to select an audio file already from your system, or you can also choose to narrate an audio right over here. Further, there are settings to have the play mode as either loop, active sections, or once per row. You can choose to delete the track, but let's see how to click to select an audio file. Click on the pencil icon. There are a lot of different audio sets that are available as a sample. You can choose any of them, or you can choose to add something from your system. The file types that are supported are MP3, MP4, AAC, WAV, WebM, and the maximum file size is 40 MB. Apart from uploading from your system or choosing one of the sample datasets, the third option is to record your narration. If you click on record, this is your microphone, this is your record audio name, let's call it test. And once you click on record, you will start recording. Let me show you an example. This is a sample recording. Now let me play what I have recorded. This is a sample recording. Once you are good with what you have recorded, you can click on save, and this will be available under your list of audio source. You can click on this and click on select. All right. So you have successfully added another data source. Let's now play this. This is a sample recording. Since we have put the play mode as loop, that's why it has looped. But if you do it active sections, So now it has not looped again. Well, once you are satisfied with your output, you can click on export, and this dataset music that we have just seen will be saved as an MP3 file. I hope this was clear, the different options that are available under Add Data Options in the Two Tone app. Thank you.